Hi, I'm Kat Berry, team leader of Modern Living at Compass, and I am here in my listing 4120 South Berkeley Avenue in the historic Oakland neighborhood of Chicago. This gem of the South Side was completely rebuilt in 2018, leaving a historic facade in front of a contemporary 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home. It features hardwood floors throughout, an open concept living and dining room with gas fireplace, a luxury kitchen with quartz countertops, high-end appliances, European cabinetry, and a pull-out pantry. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, including a huge primary suite with a walk-in closet, a spa bathroom with a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and double vanity. Off of the 2nd bedroom, there's a charming balcony, and then there's also a 3rd spacious bedroom and full bathroom. The top floor leads to a walkout rooftop ready for your roof deck. Views of Lake Michigan and Berkeley Avenue, plus your finishing touches, and this will truly be an urban oasis. Add a rooftop deck up here, a pergola, putting green, or party space. The lower level is an entertainer's paradise with a huge rec room, wet bar with a beverage fridge, guest bedroom, and a full bathroom. This home also has 2 laundry areas, one in the basement and one on the bedroom level, 2 heating and cooling systems, a 2-car garage, and is wired for sound, internet, and security throughout. The Oakland neighborhood was mostly developed in the 1880s to be a bucolic reprieve from the growing industrial city of Chicago. It was actually originally a suburb and also features the first commissions by famed British architect Cicero Hines. Berkeley Avenue is a short street lined with beautiful Victorian homes, is just a block from Lake Michigan, Oakwood Beach, and the Lakefront. You're also moments from Muddy Waters Mojo Museum and the James Beard Award-winning Virtue Restaurant, as well as numerous other Kenwood and Bronzeville hotspots. Contact me today to find your place in this Oakland home.